guys. Ayan, hello crabness. Hello, kamusta naman kayo? Nakatabik kayo? Ayan guys, so meron tayong alimango. Ay, yummy yummy guys. Oh, yummy yummy siya. Mataba ka ba? Ayan guys, so this is the babae. Ayan, masasabi natin babae guys kasi ganyan oh. Ganyan yung ano guys ah. O yan, that is for me lang guys. Okay? That is for me. Okay? Yan. So yan lalaki. At, ay lalaki, babae. Ay! Hey guys. Ayan, ay babae gidin. My gosh. So ito lang talaga inawit natin dito guys. Yung alimango. Yan. Hello! Hello, alimango. Ayan o, nag-ano siya. Ay! Nagahay siya. Ay! Ay lalaki. May lalaki guys. So, yan. Oh no! Huwag kang mawawala. So yun na guys. So yan. So this is the crab of Cali o Bacau Norte. Shout out! Hi! Kumusta naman kayo dyan? Okay lang kayo? Mamaya titikman ko kayo kung talagang masarap kayo. Okay? Okay? Ayan. Hello guys, this is it. Woo! Ayan guys. No, that's not big crab. The bigger crab.
That's scary. They're gonna.
No, that's not carry.
Okay, the punch your mouth.
Yeah, you pinch. Okay?
Then, hey, crab. You wanna bite?